Image, Kool Image Dolls, Kool Image, Kool Image Dolls.
Yeah, the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm a Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls,
Yeah, the Kool
Kool Image, Kool Image Dolls.
Yeah, the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm a Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls, Kool Image.
Episode 5, Fall Fun Times. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Lolo, and we're here at the Kool Image Doll Factory with Kiki and Tika. So, remember Halibut?
Yeah.
I loved Halibut. Remember how you guys love painting the pumpkins
that was
and
so
making
much
your own?
fun, Lolo.
Well, guess what? We have another activity just like that.
Yeah.
Do I still get to wear my unicorn horn, Lolo?
No.
Why? I love my unicorn
understand.
horn, and
You
it's
are
beautiful on
beautiful.
me.
Yes, but Halloween's over.
So,
Okay, well, we're going to go outside and we're going to get the leaves from outside and we're going to do a fun activity.
I guess,
Yes.
Lolo.
We're gonna be
Tika,
making
she's
our
not even
own
listening to
crowns
us again.
And leaf people. Are you guys interested?
I mean, come on, Kiki. I guess, why
Good,
not?
good,
Let's
good.
try
We're
something.
gonna go outside
Okay,
and get some
Tika, I'll
leaves
trust
and
you
start
on
the
this
activity.
one.
Are you guys ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, we just came outside from picking up our leaves so we can create our leaf crowns and our leaf people. But before we go into actually making our leaf crowns and our leaf people, I wanted to walk you guys through what it takes in order for you to actually put it together. So we have craft paper that we took and folded into 3 sections. So me, Tika, and Kiki can both have our own crown. And you see it's a little bit big. We're then going to take it after we cut it into 3 sections and wrap it around our heads and then measure it to the size of our head. We also got crayons, our melanated crayons, so we can do our different skin tones for our leaf people, our different features and hair colors. We have other Crayola crayons, paper, so that when we put our leaf people down, we can put them on our paper. We have markers, glue, our leaves and berries from outside, regular masking tape, a Sharpie, and there are scissors, but you're going to have to ask your parents for your scissors in order for you to cut your crown to your head shape. But, alright, enough of me talking with the girls. We're about to get into it, and we're going to make our crowns. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Together, as you can see, but Tika needs a little bit more convincing.
No, I don't.
Tika,
Yes,
I
Lolo.
understand Halibut was so much fun.
And I look beautiful with my unicorn horn.
Yeah.
Yes,
we
Tika,
know.
you look
But
amazing.
we need you to put on your crown.
Please, Tika, for
That
me.
means I'm
Please,
gonna
please,
have
please,
to
please,
take
please,
off.
please, 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 please. Oh, come on,
Yeah.
Kiki.
I can?
Fine, Lolo,
Okay.
go ahead. Yeah.
Ready? I'm scared of it.
Oh. How is it? And my hair. Oh my God! Look, it's getting
No,
on.
that's good.
Oh, yeah, it looks good. Oh, Tika, it looks really good. Ooh,
We look
ooh, I
good.
can wear any crown. I can look good. Ooh, I can. Yeah.
Alright, so now we got to create the people.
What?
Y'all.
There's still more to
Yeah,
do.
there's more to do.
Yay. Come on, Tika. All right, Lolo. I'm
We'll be
getting
back.
sleepy, man.
Next, leaf people. Hey guys, I also wanted to give you a bonus. If you don't have construction paper or even craft paper and you still want to do the crown, go outside and look for a very, very soft vine, tie it, put some tape around it, and you can make yourself a crown. It could work for them too.
Ooh, so many bright colors of leaves. This is fun. I think I'm gonna cut mine too. Oh, heck, you use marker? I want to too. I'm having so much fun building these people. Who would have thought you can just use leaves from outside? Right? Lolo and Miss Dom are so cool. Did you guys have fun doing this with us today? Make sure you take a picture and tag us on social media. Me and Tika definitely want to see you guys as leaf crowns and leaf people. Oh my God, Tika, did you use berries as eyes? That's so creative. Swear, it was all Miss Dom's idea. But hey Kiki, who's Chad? I don't know, some guy I seen on YouTube.
Okay, so we're all done here. Don't judge mine. I don't know. I just didn't want to have a body with leaves. I just wanted to make a face, you know. I thought she had enough hair up here, you know.
Yeah, Lolo,
But they got creative. You see, here goes one last wave of Kiki's and Tika's. Alright guys, we had a fun-filled day. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, Lolo, I had so much fun. Yeah, and I realized I can wear any
Good.
crown at any time, besides the unicorn.
That's what's up. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in to Kool Image Dolls. Before you go, make sure you sing the pledge. We'll see you next week.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love myself. I love my hair. Don't touch my hair. It's not your hair. I love my skin. The skin I'm in. My personal blend. My perfect skin. I choose to smile because my smile can cure your frown and lift my crown.
You did it! Next episode, Saturday, November 28th.
Crew. I'm beautiful.
Wow!
Anything
Episode
I'm
6,
Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls.
Thankfulness and Family.
Image
We're
Dolls.
the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls.
Kool
Kool
Kid.
Image. Kool Image Dolls. Yes, I can put love above all. I can never fail with my Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Yes, I can put love above all. I can never fail with my Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
We're the
Dolls.
Kool Kid crew.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye.
Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
We're
Dolls.
the Kool Kid crew.